In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your LinkedIn account temporarily. If you want to take a break from LinkedIn without permanently deleting your profile, the Hibernate option is the setting you're looking for. This allows you to temporarily hide your activity and step away from the platform while keeping your account available for later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option using LinkedIn in a desktop browser. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account on a desktop or in your web browser. It's best to do this on the full website since account settings are often easier to find there than on mobile. Once you're signed in and your LinkedIn homepage has loaded, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, find and select Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where LinkedIn keeps your personal, security, and account controls. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully because the layout can vary slightly depending on updates to the site. After you're in Settings and Privacy, go to Account Preferences. This section includes the options related to how your account functions, including visibility, access, and account status. Once you open Account Preferences, scroll down until you reach the Account Management section. In Account Management, look for the option labeled Hibernate Account and click it. This is the setting LinkedIn uses for temporary deactivation. Choosing Hibernate is different from closing your account completely, so if your goal is only to pause your presence for a while, this is the more suitable option. At this point, LinkedIn may show additional information about what happens when your account is hibernated. Read through those details carefully so you understand how your profile visibility and activity may be affected during the break. Then follow the on-screen prompts to continue. And that's it. Once you complete the process, your LinkedIn account will be temporarily deactivated through the Hibernate feature. If you decide to return later, you can usually reactivate it by signing back in. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along with each screen slowly and double-check each menu so you don't accidentally choose the wrong account option.